All right, this video I want to share today I call Aerobic Bowling. We're going to have groups of 3 at a bowling ball down the center. You can see we've got 8 of them set up. So we have about average class size of 24. So we're going to have 3 kids at a station or 3 kids at a lane. And the first person will take 1 roll down towards the pins on this end of the gym. If they knock a pin down, they run down, pick that pin up, take their ball, run back to the middle, hand the ball off to their next person in line, and they bring their pin down to the other end of the gym and stand it up in their hula hoop. Once they finish that, they'll go back in line. Meanwhile, the next person in the line will take the ball and they'll roll in an attempt to get a pin knocked over. If they miss the pins altogether, then they just run down, get the ball, bring it back, give it to the next person. And sometimes I'll have the kids just run down anyways and run around the hula hoop and come back. So this aerobic bowling, they're doing a lot of running back and forth across the gym, kind of disguising it with this bowling activity or rolling activity as well. So at the end of the round, the students will go over to their hula hoop and they'll count up how many pins their team was able to collect. That will be their record. Then I'll have the students take the pins and spread them back out on that side, and we'll get ready to play again. And in round number 2, we'll try and beat the score that they got in round number 1. So this is called aerobic bowling. I do this with 1st grade and 2nd grade.